This section, we will introduce the composition of the sheet feeding mechanism for the Heidelberg SM52. Sheet feeding mechanism is primarily composed of two parts. The first part is the sheet feeder table, and the second part is the sheet feeder, commonly referred to as the feeder. On the sheet feeder table, there are components such as the paper pickup rollers, mechanical dural sheet safety, sheet feeding vacuum belt, front gauge, side gauge, and some corresponding airflow adjustment knobs. The composition of the sheet feeder. The sheet feeder mainly includes two suction nozzles, two side pressing paper, two rear pressing paper, and one front pressing paper. Behind are two paper feeding blowers. One pressure foot, one paper support blower, two static electricity blowers, above are adjustment buttons for each air volume, loose paper blower adjustment button, degreasing blower adjustment button, static electricity blower adjustment button, suction nozzle air volume. At the very top, this knob is for adjusting the height of the paper feeder. Briefly, the adjustment of the paper feeder. First, controls the height of the paper feeder, which means controls the height of the paper stack. The main parameter is to control the paper stack 5 to 10 mm lower than the front paper stop. Adjust the top knob of the paper feeder. Second, the distance. The pressure foot presses into the paper stack is usually 5 to 10 mm. Third, the pressure steel sheet usually penetrates the paper stack 5 to 8 mm. Adjustment of the pressure sheet. Basically, it regularly should penetrate the paper stack 5 to 8 mm and adjust the pressure distance of the sheet through the knob.